Unlock the power of T-charts for comparing and contrasting texts. Hello, language explorers. Today we'll be diving into the exciting world of T-charts, a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way you compare and contrast texts in English. Using T-charts, you'll learn to dissect and analyze text in a more organized, logical, and efficient manner. T-charts are named for their shape, which resembles the letter T. They're used to visually organize information into two columns. When comparing and contrasting texts, you place one text on one side of the chart and the other text on the opposite side. The shared characteristics or themes of the two texts are listed in the middle. This visual aid helps you quickly identify similarities and differences, strengthening your understanding and comprehension of the texts. Creating a T-chart is quite simple. 1. Draw a large T on your paper. The top of the T serves as a place to define the categories you're comparing, while the vertical line separates the two texts you're analyzing. 2. Label each column with the title of the text you're comparing. 3. Start reading the first text. As you identify important points, themes, or characteristics, write them in the appropriate column. 4. Do the same with the second text. 5. Examine your T-chart. The similarities and differences between the two texts should be more apparent. Remember, the aim is to encourage critical reading and deeper comprehension. To give you an idea of how T-charts work in action, let's walk through an example. Imagine we're comparing two texts about climate change, one written by a scientist and the other by a journalist. Step 1. Draw your T, label one column, scientist's text, and the other, journalist's text. Step 2. As you read the scientist's text, jot down main points and key findings under its column. Step 3. Repeat the same process for the journalist's text. Step 4. Examine your completed T-chart. Do both authors agree on the causes of climate change? What's the difference in their tones or perspectives? Visualizing these points side by side gives a clear snapshot of how the texts relate and contrast, enabling you to form a deeper, nuanced understanding of the subject. And that's how T-charts work. They're an invaluable tool in your arsenal for improving your reading comprehension skills. They don't just help you to compare and contrast texts. They also train your brain to look for patterns, similarities, and differences, fostering a habit of critical reading. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep practicing. The more you use T-charts, the more intuitive and powerful they become. Happy reading, language explorers!